According to LinkedIn, last year saw a remarkable 52% surge in the demand for digital marketing positions, making them among the most rapidly expanding job opportunities within the UK across all sectors. You can collaborate on amazing companies, all by working on varied and incredible projects that will keep you engaged. I'm Anna, a content creator and digital strategist at ClickDo, one of the highest ranking SEO marketing agencies in London. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any opportunities or any of our proven techniques in navigating the digital industry. In this video, I'm excited to walk you through the steps towards success in the digital marketing industry. And guess what? You do not need a formal degree to make your mark. Let's face it, I know how it feels to be on the other side. I used to be a waiter and then a restaurant host, but then I discovered the powers of digital marketing. The beauty of digital marketing lies in its diversity. No 2 days are the same. I could be crafting a blog post or editing a video like this, for example, filming a video like this, or strategizing a social media campaign. But let's address the role of education in entering this industry. While formal education can play a part, success isn't solely dependent on a degree. You can gain the same knowledge through audiobooks, blogs, or even YouTube videos. It's more about the knowledge you acquire than the paper you hold, and I mean that literally. Now, let's talk about ClickDo. ClickDo was founded by Fernando Raymond, who came to the UK from Sri Lanka, learnt the intricacies of SEO and digital marketing, and reshaped his life. You can actually learn more about this and his transformative journey in Fernando's YouTube video, where he explains his journey from a digital marketer to a digital entrepreneur. I feel like his story brilliantly reflects how becoming a digital marketer can have so many amazing opportunities. Now, if you're interested in genuinely mastering the intricacies of digital marketing, you're going to have to put some effort in. You're not going to learn everything there is to know about digital marketing by taking a short online course or reading a book overnight. The secret is practice. It's the ultimate teacher in life, and it applies to digital marketing as well. You can start by creating your own digital presence or a blog, for example. And if you're struggling with getting that up and started, at ClickDo we have various blogs to help you and guide you through this path. Build it as a brand with different channels and try to grow it with the amount of followers, likes, and most importantly, experiment. Showcase your skills. I did the same, and it worked as a solid digital portfolio when approaching employers or companies. But before you dive into that, please arm yourself with the knowledge. The starting point is understanding the fundamental principles of marketing that have stood the test of time. Our digital features help with this massively, and if you want my advice, I suggest beginning with SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's like giving your content a VIP pass to your target audience's screens. You might be crafting amazing content, but without SEO, it's like a whisper in a crowd. SEO is your secret weapon. So learning SEO fundamentals can equip you with the expertise needed to master the art of search engine optimization. As a digital marketer, you're expected to be competent in various areas, such as social media marketing, email marketing, videography, photography. To learn these skills, it takes practice, and even if you take a short course, you'll need to put your knowledge to the test to showcase it to potential employers or clients. So it's only logical to get started with a website, to build a successful case study, as Fernando did with ClickDo, for example. Learn and practice the right skills to become a digital marketer today. Thank you for joining me in this video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed learning about the true ins and outs of becoming a digital marketer, and subscribe to stay tuned for more tips, insights, or stories to navigating the digital world.